So friends, Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 smartwatch launch in market soon. Here you see this smartwatch is spot online and looks this is a smartwatch look. Here you see this smartwatch looks very fantastic and talking about others features. So more features is not revealed in this at this time, and when this smartwatch feature more features is revealed, I make video. Let's wait. And this smartwatch I think very expensive, and here you see this smartwatch display size is 1.1 inch AMOLED display in this smartwatch, and 5 ATM water resistant support this smartwatch. And in this smartwatch you see heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and sleep tracking sensor and sleep tracking sensor you use for sleep tracking related activity, and Bluetooth calling smart relate Bluetooth calling support in this smartwatch. And price is not revealed, but I think this smartwatch launch in market 10,000 Indian rupees. Our seventh 100 our 150 $150 price. So what do you think this smartwatch? Comment below, and thank you for watching this video.